In this video, how to post hiring on LinkedIn, I will show you step by step how to post a hiring job on LinkedIn. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or go to the LinkedIn website. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the top menu of the platform. Now click the option called Jobs. Inside the Jobs page, click Post a Job. Now you need to enter the job information. Type the job title you are hiring for. Enter the job location. Choose whether the job is remote, on-site, or hybrid. Now write a detailed job description. Explain the responsibilities of the role. Add the skills required for the candidate. Include qualifications and requirements needed. After that, review all the information entered. Click Continue to proceed. Now choose the job posting type. You can select a free or sponsored job listing. After that, click Post Job to publish the position. Your job post will be visible to candidates on LinkedIn. You can review the applications received, contact qualified candidates for the next steps. This is how you can post a hiring job on LinkedIn.